dropping it off at the Jukes. It's dinner time, so they'll be in the yard. I'm going to drop this off and we're going to swap it over to the David Brown 880. And he's got some logs to cut this afternoon, so a couple of classic tractors and classic log splitting. See Bob down there in his Ivy's coat. Oh, David Brown's under the shed. We'll be doing a side-by-side swap. You come back a bit fast then, I thought you were going to knock it off. So we've gone front back of that off the classic Leyland, and it's now on the Brown, which is red.
He's ringing, I don't know when he's coming.
Has he? Oh, very has. So the plan is with this, going to cut some logs, then it's going to have a wash and bath and soap, and it's going to be left to dry, and then it's having a new cover before going back in the shed for the worst 2 months of the winter. February and March. And it'll be back in the shed, covered up, ready for the track to run in April. Smile! Right, we'll leave them to it. They're logging away. Happy as Larry, them three. So I'm off to do something else. See you in a bit. Right, we've got to move this lot down the road. What could possibly go wrong? We've got one in the crush at the moment that we're tagging. The Duke's just tagging it. And then we've got to walk them out through the race, through the field, down the main road, and then me and Bob are down at the bottom. We've got to turn them down the lane, stop the traffic, and they're all bullocks except 2 cows. Like I said, what could go wrong? Let's go and see what they're doing up here. Right, here they come, trying to get them out of here, and then down the race. Come on. Come on. Here's Bully. Big Rufus. This guy's got a phobia about tarmac, so might be quite interesting when he gets on the main road. Basically what we're going to do is walk him all the way down the road, right down there, to the bottom. Anything could go wrong here. That's it, we've had it. They've gone over wire and run down the field. What happens now then?
Big problem now, because it might be straight to that into the next field.
That's it, they've gone. Wave bye bye.
Somebody's been in this drop fence down here somewhere this morning.
Have they?
Yeah, sounds like it.
2 of them has just jumped over that fence into the other field. That one's trying to take the hedge out. The bull is having a good scratch on that hedge. Look at him. Having a right scratch. Corral. Still got 2 in that field. Next door, look. We've gone round back round into the crew yard. We've got them down there. Rufus is thinking, which way am I going to go now? Over the wall, through past me, or into that corral? Bob's got the other 2 rounded up, but they're off back down the field again. They've all come running back now this way. the other two are coming back now. Right, we're all back together as a unit. Just got to get them back down there now. There's just a piece of string between me and them. That's it. Oh no, he nearly moved then. Doesn't like tarmac. Uncle Bob's got him in charge, look. He's got him moving. Park the truck on the corner because the cars come flying round there, and what we're going to do is put a piece of rope across the road here to divert the cows down that lane there when they come. The Duke and Bob are at the top of the street, they're just putting a rope up there. They've literally got 300 yards of main road. There's low hedges, gates, scout hut and a cricket pitch just up there, so you never know, anything could happen. But I've got Buzz here with me, and like I say, we're going to get a rope up and hopefully guide them down there. So just waiting for Bob to come down in the truck with the ropes. We'll get it set up. Once that's in place, traffic stopped, because we're getting near school time rush hour, middle of nowhere, but they will come. Here comes Bob racing down in the truck, got his flashing lights on. He's got the ropes. It weren't, were it?
I've just shut it up and it's all gone in there.
Right. I'll put it. Is it? Are we closing it now? Buzz is in position. Road shut. Got the rope up. And they should be coming down there. And then going down there. That's the plan. But it's obviously there's exciting hedges and things that they might want to start eating or try and jump over. So yeah, I've stopped the traffic now, so we're just waiting for them to come down. Can't see anything yet. They're coming right from up there. I can see movement in the distance. Here they come. Has the bull come with them? One's decided to look at the hedge. Ah! No, you're not going in that field. Go on. Down there. This is going to be good. Go on, this way. Down the lane, come on. Come on. Down the lane. Come on. Ah! I think these are going to go back up. Come on, down there. Come on, Whitey. Down there. Well, they decided they're going back up the lane. I can see the Duke running. He's doing the Hundall Marathon down here. Looks like the bull has refused. Is that cow going the right way? Go on. That's it, we've got him. That's it. The Bob's problem now, aren't they? Oh, you left him loose, have you? Well, he's not on road, is he? All right. Shall I leave this open then, or shut it? Back up, all right. No. That's it. They've gone that way now. We'll pack up. We got it. Right, we're going back up now because we're going to try and get the big bull back in the shed. And funny things just happened. I've just left the truck on the corner with the beacon flashing and the hazards on, and it flattened my battery. So I've had to put it in first gear, and luckily I was facing downhill, roll it down the hill, and she started. So better get the battery charger out when I get back and see what's going on there. I think I've got Bradley behind me. He's coming up the hill with his trailer on. I've just seen him go down here. He's made his way back in the shed. Let's have a look. Have you got him? Yeah. Oh, he's here, look. All on his Todd. Is it a trailer ride now then for him? Yeah. He likes to go in style. He is, yeah. He don't like to walk to his next job. He likes to likes the limousine. Right, we're going for the trailer to move the bull. Inch. Come on. You'll do. That's it. Yeah.
These doors will go too, won't they?
Your carriage awaits, bully. Bob's gone to find a stick. He's having a quick snack before his journey. Go on, bully. He's off. Go on.
Go on. Go on. Go on. Keep going.
That's the anti-return gate, so he can't come back.
Go on, lad. Go on.
No, not quick enough. Let's get him to come back again. Go on. What's the matter?
Go on.
Go on. Forward you go. Get rid of that barbell.
Go on. Go on. Go on then.
This time he's in. Third time lucky. Third time lucky, he's in. There he is. He's in. Hello, what are you doing? Just thinking, can I get through here? Plan is to reverse up to this gate and there they go, drop him in there with those girls. Oh, we got a Mexican standoff.
Yeah.
Come on, go in the gate so we can shut it. He thinks it's tarmac again. Go on, move. Yeah. Another one trying to get out now. Go on. Go on, bully.
Go for it.
Come on. I don't like look at his eye. he's watching me. He's going to turn this way in a minute like a dinosaur and flick me over that cabin. Is it? He don't want to move, does he?
Come on. Come on.
Go on, just get through that gate so we can shut it.
Come on.
That's it. That's one of your ladies there.
Best trailer up.
Is that what it is? I think there's going to be a big fight at the OK Corral, is it? He's trying to pinch his women. That's it. Is he gone, has he?
Yeah. Tested his weight, then I realised he was twice as heavy as him.
Yeah. He's having a fight with the other one now then. He's gone to pick out little one.
That's it. Right.
Are they? Oh dear. There we go. They've gone to fight amongst themselves down there.
That's it, good door there.
Job done.
Yeah.
That's it, trailer's been washed out. We're just backing it up, taking it off and putting it away for the night. That's it, we're off. That's it, trailer's away, so we'll go and find some more chores to do. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you next time. We'll see thee. Right, the Duke's just lighting the log burner with some kindling and some old newspapers, and we've just been going through these old newspapers. Bob's found one from 2002. 2001, a newspaper. The Northern Farming Gazette. What year is this? December 2002.
Nuffield and Leyland part here. Marshall Tractors Limited.
All right. Bloody hell.
Beverley.
Then we've got another one here. Another Northern Farmers, February 2002. The Gazette. But the best one is Scale Plans of Military Aircraft. And when you open it up, there's all aeroplanes from the
Show sheepdog trials.
Oak Show sheepdog trials.
Yeah.
Look at this. Got all the scale drawing plans here, look.
Lincoln Show, Ashover Show, Cumberland Country Show.
Scale plans of military. The what? The Blackburn Scooter. My word! Here's your plan if you want to build it. This is where they got the idea from for the flight of the Phoenix when they landed in the desert.
25th of August, tractor puller.
Albacore, the fairy albacore. It must be worth something. This to get this on eBay. If anybody's interested in this, drop us a message and we'll sell it you. We'll post it you. The Heinkel, is it? Heinekel? There's a German playing that one. I bet you used to make these when you were a boy, didn't you?
It's before my time, that is silly boot. It's 1945.
1945, where?
Sure, I've seen 1945.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
can.
1940.
Sure, hell. 1940 to 1942. Look at that.
Yeah.
We're all in here. Americans.
You're looking for a Spitfire, aren't
The Curtis YP-37. Spitfire, I've seen that somewhere. Spitfire. Tiger Moth. There you go, look, everything for it. No, we can't burn that, can we? No, you can't burn that. You can't light fire with that one. That's got to go into stores. Tractor, what's this? Tractor and Machinery, December 2011. February 1999. British Dairying. Chief Forage Magazine.
Are you ringing that bloke, John? See if that tractor's still there?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. We'll have a cup of tea now.